Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Liddy Roll On Wax is probably one of the most convenient and effective hair removal solutions available, offering a mess-free experience that allows for precise application, making it an excellent choice for both at-home users and professionals seeking salon-quality results without the hassle of traditional waxing methods, ensuring smooth, long-lasting hair-free skin with minimal discomfort and maximum ease. Number 5. Tress Wellness Waxing Kit. Introducing the Tress Wellness Waxing Kit, specially formulated for sensitive skin. Enjoy a safe and effective waxing experience right at home. This versatile kit is perfect for all areas, including your face, bikini line, and even for a full body wax. It's designed for your comfort and safety. Achieve salon-quality results without leaving your house. The easy-to-use design makes at-home waxing simple and convenient. Get everything you need for a complete waxing routine. The kit includes essential prep and aftercare sprays to ensure smooth, soothed skin. Monitor your waxing temperature with ease thanks to the clear digital display. This feature ensures optimal results every time you use it. Not only is it effective, but it also looks great. This waxing kit features a stylish black and purple flower design that will complement any bathroom. What we like. This kit is designed for sensitive skin, making it gentle for facial and full body use. Its digital display offers precise temperature control for a comfortable experience. If you have sensitive skin and prefer an all-in-one solution for at-home waxing, this is a great choice. What people say. The wax is easy to apply and remove. It works well on sensitive skin. The roll-on applicator makes it mess-free. Number 4. Cirepil Blue 800G Hard Wax Beads Bag. Discover the Cirepil Blue Hard Wax Beads, a premium choice for your hair removal needs. This 800G bag offers exceptional value and performance. Formulated for sensitive skin, it provides a gentle yet effective hair removal experience. Say goodbye to irritation and hello to smooth skin. Enjoy the convenience of a no-strip formula that simplifies your waxing routine. It adheres directly to the hair for easy removal. This wax is ideal for delicate areas, including facial waxing and Brazilian waxing. Achieve professional results in the comfort of your home. Experience its unique fluid gel texture, designed for effortless application and superior hair gripping. It makes hair removal a breeze. This unscented formula is perfect for those with sensitivities. Its easy-to-use nature ensures a smooth and efficient hair removal process every time. What we like. This hard wax is unscented and requires no strips, simplifying the waxing process. Its fluid gel texture ensures easy application and effective hair removal, even on sensitive skin. If you're looking for a no-fuss, professional-grade wax for Brazilians and sensitive areas, this is the one. What people say. The pains seem to go from a 10 to a mere 3-4 mild sting and then gone. The hard wax dried down to a pliable rubber consistency that didn't turn brittle and into a questionable plastic-like mess from the previous retail brand I tried. Which meant it had a better grip on my hairs and was gentler on my skin. This removed my hair with one application. Not once did I have to go over a spot for a second time. It was amazing. Great wax. Doesn't break when waxing, easy to use and almost painless. Number 3. Liddy Dance Soft Wax Roller Cartridge. Introducing the Liddy Dance Soft Wax Roller Cartridge, designed for gentle and effective hair removal. Experience smooth skin with our specially formulated soft wax. Our depilatory rolling wax is perfect for those with sensitive skin. It contains aloe to soothe and calm your skin during the waxing process. This soft wax comes in a convenient roller cartridge, making it easy to use with your roll-on waxing kit. Achieve professional results at home. Get great value with this 4-pack of wax refills, totaling 14.1 ounces. Keep your waxing kit stocked and ready for use whenever you need it. Enjoy smooth, hair-free skin that lasts. This product ensures a clean and efficient waxing experience, leaving your skin feeling soft and refreshed. What we like. Infused with aloe, this soft wax is specifically formulated for sensitive skin. The convenient roll-on cartridge makes application smooth and even. If you prefer a gentle, easy-to-use roll-on wax for at-home touch-ups and have sensitive skin, this refill pack is ideal. What people say. This wax works really well. It heats evenly and spreads smoothly, making the hair removal process quick and easy. The texture is soft but strong enough to pull out even short hairs without leaving sticky residue. I love that it's gentle on the skin, no redness or irritation afterwards, just soft and smooth results. Number 2. Waxness Soft Wax Cartridge Rose, Pack of 6. Introducing our soft wax cartridges, designed for a smooth and gentle hair removal experience. Perfect for both face and body, they offer professional results every time. Enjoy the delicate rose scent as you achieve flawless skin. This formula is crafted to be kind to your skin while effectively removing unwanted hair. Experience the quality of Italian craftsmanship. These professional-grade wax cartridges ensure a superior waxing session, right from your home. This pack includes 6 3.38-ounce cartridges, providing you with ample supply for multiple uses. Keep your skin smooth for longer with this convenient set. The roll-on design makes application effortless and mess-free. Simply glide it over the skin for an even and consistent wax layer. Whether you're targeting delicate facial areas or larger body parts, these cartridges are versatile enough for all your hair removal needs. What we like? Experience professional quality waxing with this Italian-made strip wax. The rose scent adds a pleasant touch to your hair removal routine. If you're seeking a reliable, salon-grade roll-on wax for both face and body and appreciate a gentle fragrance, this pack is a fantastic option. What people say. This stuff is amazing. It picks up 99+% of my leg hair first time. I rarely have to go over a spot a second time. This is much faster than epilating. The wax removes very easily and adheres well to the strips when warm enough. Not messy or not to get too hot. It's clean very well. Number 1. Nose Hair Waxing Kit. Tired of dealing with unwanted nose hair? Our easy-to-use waxing kit is designed for both men and women, offering a simple solution for smooth results. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: 50 g of wax, 20 applicators, 10 pods, a measuring cup, and 8 mustache stencils for precise application. The specially formulated wax is gentle on your skin while effectively removing hair from the root. Achieve a clean and polished look with minimal discomfort. We've made the process as straightforward as possible. The included applicators and measuring cup ensure you get the right amount of wax every time. Whether you're looking to tidy up nose hair or define your mustache, this kit provides the tools for a refined and well-groomed appearance. Stop struggling with tweezers or scissors. This kit offers a complete and effective solution for maintaining your desired look with confidence. What we like? This kit is specifically designed for effective nose hair removal for both men and women. It includes all the necessary applicators and wax pods for a complete treatment. If you're specifically looking to tackle unwanted nose hair with a convenient and comprehensive kit, this product is tailored for you. What people say. The roller head is designed to be smooth and even, allowing for a more comfortable waxing experience. It is easy to use and apply the wax evenly, which is great for at-home hair removal. The roll-on design makes it convenient to use without making a mess. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.